Stop fighting your closet every morning just to find a clean shirt. Most American apartments have tiny closets that turn into a messy pile of clothes within a week. A cluttered closet wastes your time and makes you buy things you already own but cannot find. Today, I am showing you how to double your storage space for less than $20. Welcome back to Smart Life. The first step is to switch all your bulky plastic hangers to slim velvet ones. Standard hangers take up way too much horizontal space on your rod. Velvet hangers are thin and prevent your clothes from slipping onto the floor. This one change can instantly create 30% more room for new items. You can find large packs of these at stores like Ross or Marshall's for a very low price. Next, you need to utilize the vertical space on the back of your closet door. Most people leave this area empty, but it is prime real estate for storage. Buy a clear over the door organizer for $10. Instead of just shoes, use the pockets for rolled up t-shirts, socks, or even cleaning supplies. This keeps the small items off your shelves and makes them easy to see at a glance. If you have high shelves that are hard to reach, use clear, stackable bins. Label each bin for specific items like winter gear or gym clothes. Clear bins are better than solid ones because you do not have to open them to see what is inside. Stacking them high uses the empty space near the ceiling that usually goes to waste. For your hanging clothes, use the cascading trick to save even more room. You can buy hanger connector hooks or even use the pull tabs from soda cans. Slide the tab over one hanger and hook a second hanger into the bottom hole. This lets you hang multiple shirts vertically in the space of just one. It is the perfect solution for long dresses or heavy coats in a cramped space. Here is a bonus tip to help you declutter for free. Turn all your hangers so the hooks point outward towards you. Every time you wear an item and put it back, turn the hanger the normal way. After 6 months, any hanger still pointing toward you holds a garment you never wear. Donate those items to a local shelter and reclaim your space without spending a dime. Organizing your life starts with the space you use every single day. If these tips helped you find some breathing room in your closet, hit the like button. Subscribe to Smart Life for more ways to optimize your home on a budget. Drop a comment and let me know your biggest closet struggle.